Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're cooking with Chef Puff. But today, we're not cooking today again. But we're going to get back in the kitchen later on sometime this week. But right now, what I'm going to do is that I'm doing a review on McDonald's. I got a couple of items that I did order, and I have to go pick it up. But I'm going to try something new. I never tried it before. I'm doing the curbside pickup. I did the app on the phone, and when I get there, I'm supposed to input my spot. The food is already paid for, so we're going to see how that's going to work out. So as soon as I get to McDonald's, I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, you're not going to believe this, but as soon as I put my spot number where I'm parked at, let me show you. Curbside pickup. Let me see. Let me reverse this here. Well, I can't really. I don't want to reverse it, but curbside pickup. Let me change it here for you. Curbside pickup number 5. It's backwards because the video number 5. But as soon as I put the number in, the young lady came out with my food. I mean, you're talking 2 seconds. Now that's some good service right there. I did like that. I guess my first time using the curbside with the app on the phone, McDonald's app. But hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, I got my order, and basically everything was there. Everything is here. It does smell really good, you know. So I'm gonna take this little drive back home, and as soon as I get home, we'll do a review on what I purchased, and I'll definitely let you see it. Be right back. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. All right. Excuse me. I just got back from McDonald's. Okay, let me show you what I ordered. I ordered large French fries, no salt, and no salt. Pretty good. Also, the chicken nuggets. The 10-piece chicken nuggets is about $4 and change. But I'm not a hockey fan, but today and today only, if the Islanders, won yesterday, the chicken nuggets are only $2 today. Okay? I also got, if you want to call this is where we're going to look at. This is supposed to be a triple cheeseburger. It looks like a hot mess right here. Okay. I also got 2 Filet-O-Fish sandwiches that I do like. I do like the fish sandwiches. But I never had the deluxe spicy chicken sandwich. Okay, so and I also got the different sauces here. I got hot mustard and sweet and sour. So, and I also got the blueberry raspberry drink ice, but it's really good. It's really good. All right. But I did do the curbside pickup, but it was incredible. It was an incredible experience. And I mean, I'm talking, when you pull in, it tells you in the app, what do you want to do? Drive through, pick up, eat in, or curbside. So I picked the curbside. And when you get to the spot, and there was only 2 spots that I have seen, it was spot 5 and 6. So I parked in, I think it was 5. And as soon as I put that number in, it was just, whoa. The young lady was walking out with my food, and it was unbelievable. All right. So let me cut some of this food up, and let's get to eating. Be right back with you. All right, the first thing we're going to tackle here is this hot mess. When I opened it up and looked at it, I was like, well, where the third patty at? But it's there. It's down there. But this is a burger that seemed like it was just thrown together. All right. Very thin patties. McDonald's, one thing, has their very thin patties. All right. But there's one thing I don't like about McDonald's is that, you know, when you get your food, the bun is so soggy. All right. So I had to put it back together again. It's just very messy. All right. So I'm going to cut a piece out of here. Because I'm not eating all this food. Don't think I'm eating it all, but I'm not. All right, now I'm going to put it back together again. Okay. I'm sure that my daughter, if she's feeling better today, she's going to want some. So let me give this a little taste here. I mean, it's just, so moist, and the bun is just soggy. But it's good, but it's a hot mess. It's a hot mess, but it is good, you know. But I also found out that with McDonald's, if you don't eat their burgers the day you buy them, just say like you bought a whole lot of food, a lot of burgers from McDonald's, and you eat them the next following day because it was too much, you're not gonna throw them out. The flavor changes, and it's not a pleasant taste. All right, they only taste good when you purchase them. It's like it knows it has an expiration date on it or something like that. Okay, let me move on. All right, because I wanted to try these chicken nuggets. And I definitely want to try this hot mustard dipping sauce here. All right, if I can get it open, because my hands are so slippery from that burger. All right, put that over there. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that type of sauce. That is pretty good. I think I like it better than the sweet and sour. So that's good. It's a good sauce. Okay. So let me have one more. One thing about McDonald's chicken nuggets, they are good. That's good. That's good. Okay, moving on. French fries. Actually, I think, and for the French fries, if I don't eat this whole thing today, which I'm not, all right, they get hard. These French fries get hard, and the best thing to do is warm them up. Is throw them in the microwave with a wet paper towel over them to keep them moist. But I did ask in the app, no salt. No salt. So, well, you know that somebody's following instructions. Okay, moving on. Moving on. The fish sandwich. Now, I do like this fish sandwich. All right. Actually, my daughter just got home, and she looks very hungry, which is plenty of food here for her too. But this fish sandwich, I do like the fish sandwiches from McDonald's. You can eat this anytime. The flavor profile does not change on the fish, but you have to like fish. Okay. So, let me give me a little piece of this. Cut it in half. I love that fish sandwich. The fish sandwich is so damn good. That's good. Well, we got to keep on moving on. Okay. We got one more sandwich. One more sandwich. All right. And this is the spicy chicken sandwich from McDonald's. All right. It has like a chipotle sauce on it. A couple of lettuce and some tomatoes. Let me just rebuild it up back again. Make it look pretty. Okay. Now, that chipotle sauce is very delicious. Woo, that chipotle sauce is very spicy. Yeah, baby. No, that's spicy. All right. Okay, here we go. Yeah. That's spicy. That chicken's... Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, that's spicy. I mean, people's has different heat tolerance. I mean, I could deal with spicy food, but that's pretty spicy, man. Whoa. But it's pretty good when you get in when you get past the heat. Oh yeah, well, once again, also we have the last thing is this raspberry, blueberry, I forgot what they called it. That cooled my mouth down. Thank God I did get that. Well, that's my take on some of the food at McDonald's. What I want to say is that the hamburgers, McDonald's has to do something with their buns because they get so soggy and moist and wet. All right, this is just horrible, you know. But the burger itself, it's good, but the texture, it's not cool. It's not cool. You know, you want to eat a burger, you want to eat a burger. Come on, you've been around for God knows how long. The restaurant chain, they should have got this how to perfect the hamburger bun. All right, it's not like they've been sitting on the burgers for a whole day or whatever, but that's what it seems like because they're so flimsy. It's just so flimsy. All right, so thank you for watching Cooking with Chef Puff. This is a McDonald's take on some of their food, and it's what I like and what I don't like. But this is only some of the food. They have a very large menu, but this is my opinion, okay? All this is, it's my opinion, all right? So I hope you enjoyed the video, so give me a thumbs up, subscribe. And I also want to give a shout out for the young lady that brought my meal out to me. She was very nice at McDonald's. And once again, thumbs up, ring the bell, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.